Hey, did you always want to play golf but thought you could never afford it? Well, keep watching. What's up, guys? I'm Savio Almeida. It's been a couple of years since I took up golf. I run a successful blog where I share my journey in golf, and I'd love to share this experience with you. Have you ever wanted to play golf but always been told it's a rich man's sport? Well, I'm here to bust some of those myths. And trust me, golf can be quite an affordable sport. I'm quite passionate towards golf, and I would like to grow this community and show you some tips and tricks on how you can interact with people from various walks of life. You can use this opportunity to grow your business and, most importantly, grow yourself. So, do subscribe to my channel and I'll show you a world you thought you could never be a part of. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.